Hey there! Ever wanted to add an extra layer of security to your favorite iPhone apps using Face ID? With iOS 18, you can lock any app with Face ID or Touch ID for maximum privacy. Let me walk you through how to do it step by step. Before we begin, make sure you have already set a passcode and face recognition in your Settings app. First, grab your iPhone and follow these steps. Open your device. Then, long press on the app icon you want to lock. Now, tap Require Face ID. Note, some Apple apps like Settings and Camera don't offer this option. Then, tap Require Face ID again. Hold your device up for a face scan. To unlock the app later, tap and hold the app icon. Then, tap Don't Require Face ID. Now, you will either need to scan your face or enter your passcode to remove the lock. After that, the app will be unlocked. And there you have it. That's how easy it is to lock or unlock any app on your iPhone using iOS 18. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments below.